Ever wish you could magically find your lost keys, wallet, or backpack? Meet the Apple AirTag 4-pack, your ultimate solution for never losing track of your valuables again. We've all been there, that frantic search before heading out the door. But with AirTag, those moments are a thing of the past, transforming frustration into peace of mind. What makes the AirTag truly special is its precision finding capability, using Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your item with incredible accuracy. Imagine seeing an arrow on your iPhone screen pointing you right to your misplaced items, even when they're tucked under a couch cushion or hidden in another room. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple, with one-tap pairing to your iPhone, integrating seamlessly into your Apple ecosystem in seconds. Worried about it getting wet or dusty? The AirTag boasts IP67 water and dust resistance, meaning it can handle splashes, spills, and everyday adventures without a hitch. So, is the Apple AirTag 4-pack worth the investment? For anyone tired of losing precious items, this smart tracker is an absolute game-changer and a must-have for 2025. If you're ready to secure your belongings, grab your own AirTag 4-pack using the special Amazon link in the description below. No other Bluetooth tracker offers this level of precision, ease of use, and integration within the global Find My network, making it uniquely reliable. Stop searching and start finding. The Apple AirTag is undeniably one of the best electronics of 2025. So click that link and bring an end to lost items today.